Alright, welcome everyone. Today we'll continue for where we stopped. In our previous class, we talked about various methods of string, various methods of string operations. We'll talk about lower dot string, upper dot string, string dot strip, string dot split, strip dot join, strip dot replace, string dot find, strip dot count, as the case may be. So we'll continue for where we stopped, and we're able to do some importance tasks today by completing the remaining 4 part of string. So today we'll talk about, let me put a statement here, put it, okay, today we will discuss, sorry, too fast, we will discuss more on string operation. Okay, example of what we are discussing today are examples with operations, because there are more than one methods. Operations examples are str.start with, str.endswiths, str.capitalize, and string.title. So these are the 4 string methods we're going to discuss today. So let's dive into action. All right, case may be okay. Existing idle. Okay, back to life. All right, let's continue. For example, let's define our string. Okay, let me use this word brd as a string name equals to, let's write, I love coding a lot. That's our string name. So the next one, string.startwith, is a kind of method we use in Python programming to ask if our string start with a particular prefix or a particular letter, a particular word. That is string.startwith. So let's see, let us print this with this operation, print brand dot, okay, that is the name of our string, brand. Okay, then start, add s to it, start with. We want to ask Python, if our string start with the letter I. Shift enter, see what the answer is true. So it starts, the above string start with the letter I. So let's see, the next one is a string.end. So let's say print. Now string.end does the opposite of string.start. It shows that if a particular string ends with a particular prefix, letter, or words, or character, as the case may be. So if a particular string ends with some kind of suffix, letter, character, or words, as the case may be. So we are using the same string name, brand dot, then ends with. Let's choose a lot and see what will be our outcome. Shift dot enter, our outcome is true. Okay, let's do the same thing and see what we have with print dot brand, or brand, ends with. This time I want to choose a different thing entirely and see what our output will be. Let's say, for example, let us assume we choose the word coding, and see the output. Shift dot enter, the output is false. Why? Because in our string, I love coding a lot. Coding does not end the sentence. You see, that's a wonderful way That's how we can manipulate character and text using string operation. The next one is str.capitalize. In this case, str.capitalize capitalize the first word, the first letter of the word that starts the string. So let's continue. Okay, print dot brand, brand, okay, capitalize means capitalize the first word. Shift enter. Okay, although our first word is already in capital letters, say it repeated everything again, but it works. And the next one is title. In this case, what Python will do if we use this formation, use this simple code, it will capitalize each letter of each word in the string. That's when we format the string with string.title, it will automatically capitalize each letter of each word in the string. So let's say print dot brand. Okay, now title, simple. You see what happened? Yes, I love coding love. Initially, love start with lowercase, but this time it start with L, is not in uppercase, so you have formatted it a lot. So these are the various way we format string using simple code. Initially we started with the first one, 40 string operation, talk about string.lower, string.upper, string.split, join, replace, find, string.count, string just like start with, end with, capitalize, title, is digital, is alpha, as the case may be. But for the aspect of is digital or is alpha, it's asking if our string is digital or alpha. For example, if we create a number 1 2 3 for a natural number 1 2 3 4, and we format where is this number digital, we display true or false, as the case may be. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Good day.